Welcome to The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, here to take you through today's market action. So let's take a look at where markets closed to end the week. Stocks overcame early weakness on Friday to close mixed for the day, but still saw a second straight week of losses. The S&P 500 fell 1.1%. The Dow dropped less than 0.1%. The Nasdaq 100 closed down over 2% on the week. And the small cap Russell 2000 was the worst performer, down over 3%. Now, taking a look at the leading and lagging sectors on the week, communication services was the worst performer, down over 6% as Lumen Technologies, Fox, and Alphabet dragged down the sector. Consumer discretionary and real estate both fell around 2%. Energy was the best performer, led by a rally in crude oil, closing the week 5% higher. Now looking at more stocks on the move on Friday, Lyft dropped over 36% as the company's earnings disappointed and its outlook was below expectations. The rideshare company had its worst day since its IPO as investors feared that Uber is establishing a dominant role in the space. By contrast, Uber fell 5% Friday, but still closed the week up over 3%. Expedia also fell after its earnings report, closing almost 9% lower. The online travel company missed on the top and bottom line. Management said that harsh winter weather in the fourth quarter was responsible for the lower than expected numbers, but that it has seen strong demand since the beginning of the year. To the upside, energy stocks rallied 4% on Friday and 5% for the week as Russia announced it was cutting production due to sanctions. Marathon, APA Corp, Valero, Diamondback, and EOG Resources all finished up over 5%, with crude oil finishing Friday right near the $80 a barrel level. Let's look at what to watch for next week. On the economic data front, on Tuesday, the January CPI will be released. On Wednesday, retail sales, industrial production, and the NAHB housing market index are out. And on Thursday, PPI, housing permits, and the Philly Fed are all released. And while the biggest names have already reported, it's still a busy week for earnings. On Tuesday, Coca-Cola, Marriott, and Airbnb report. On Wednesday, we'll hear from Analog Devices, Biogen, and Kraft Heinz. Thursday has Hasbro, Applied Materials, DraftKings, and Redfin. And finally on Friday, AutoNation and Deere report. That'll do it for The Wrap. I'm Renita Young, and remember to tune in 24/7 to TDAmeritradenetwork.com.